welcome back to the channel if you've been here before. In today's video, you know what this is? It's a vlog style video, so it is a tiny house video. Yeah, I'm doing something for that because I am out here getting on my grind and working on this tiny house. But I have a big surprise for you all. It's not done yet, but I'm moving in. This is more of a big surprise for me because I finally confronted myself and I've been like, hey, you need to get in the tiny house, you need to get moving in, and otherwise you're going to do that. If you move in, you actually finish it, you'll have to look at this every day, and now that you have to get this done. So, that's why I'm moving in, first off. Second off, I need my own space. And third, I need a place for filming. So, those are the three reasons that I'm moving in the tiny house when it's unfinished. But I'm getting here, I'm out here, and I'm doing it right now. But if you're new to this channel, I'm Haley, welcome. And if you're not, if you've been here before, welcome back. If you want to, give this video a huge thumbs up down below because it helps me a lot. Make sure you hit the big red subscribe button down below to be subscribed to my channel. And make sure that you hit the notification bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. So, here's episode 3 of the tiny house vlog. Don't mind my nails because they look like trash. Gross. So, what's going on with the tiny house right now? This is what it looks like. Back room, done. Don't mind the seams on the wall. It doesn't bother me. I'm not going to worry about it. 2, the walls over here are done completely. Just need painted. Back here, this is where the kitchen area is. I've went over this several times. The kitchen is a little bit more, it's going to be a little harder because it is a curved wall. But I have insulation. I'm going to try to get that done as soon as I can. But I want to sit here and look at it while I live in it, so I'll probably get it done as soon as possible. So, kitchen's not done. Update. Loft is done. Loft is actually done, guys. Said this in like 3 videos, but it is actually done. And that moves me on to the next area of business. Here we are. I'm going to show you what this is in the next clip. Boom. Right here is I bought a mattress to go in the loft because I need a new mattress, and this is the one I found. I decided on this. So this is a Spa Sensations by Zenus, or Zenus, I guess. This is a ThermaTouch memory foam mattress. It is 8 inches, and that's what the box looks like. Sorry for the weird preview of this. It is thundering really bad, but this is the mattress I ended up choosing. This is what it looks like. I got it in the full. I was intending on getting a king, but I decided just to go with this because I didn't really need that much room. So this is what I got, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a time lapse of how this like foams up. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it up there on top and get with it. Okay, here's the big bad boy. It's really heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this up there. So I've got the mattress up here. That took a lot more strength than I thought it was going to with just myself. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this bad boy. It's good. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like as of right now up here. There's about 3.5 foot of space on each side, or either side of the bed. Bed centered right there. If you wanna see, that's how thick it is. Along the edge here, I'll probably end up putting some like railing or something. Just depends where I end up moving my ladder, so I haven't done that yet. But that's what she looks like.
So you're a tough guy, like you're really a rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I like it when you take control, even if you know that you don't own me. I'll let you play the role I'll be. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing the song if she reads all the lyrics. She'll pity the men I know.
Okay guys, so what I've got going on right now, what I've got going on right now is finishing up this trim, like y'all just seen in that clip. Like I said, I don't mind the things on the wall because most of this wall is going to be covered by closet stuff anyways, so, or this side, whatever I decide. But this is what it looks like. It looks very farmhousey. I like it. I haven't done any of this because I only have like one full piece of trim left. It's stained already, and then I just have like a couple of pieces that's been cut. But that's what I've got going on. Hey guys, so I think that's all I'm going to be doing for today's video. Sorry it might have been short. I don't really know how much footage I got, but that's all I've got done today. I'm about to run out of trim, so I'm going to have to go pick up some more when I get the money to do that. And then, so far, we've made a little bit of progress today. I'm sweating like a pig, but here I am. Got the mattress done, got some trim put up. So almost the whole back room is finished. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button below. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you all next time. So, peace out.